Welcome to the Wolver Channel, where crypto dreams become reality. Today, I'm revealing the secret to launching your own token on any blockchain in minutes. No fluff, no BS, just pure step-by-step fire. Let's make you a crypto creator today. Step 1. Remix.eth, your launchpad. First, open your browser and head to remix.eth. remix.eth. This is your coding war room, where your token gets born. Step 2. Create your token file. Click New File and name it mytoken.sol. Yes, that .sol is crucial. This is where the magic starts. Your token's DNA is about to be written. Step 3. Paste your contract code. Now drop in your smart contract code. Don't have one? No stress. Message me on Telegram, link below, with token contract, and I'll send you a ready-to-deploy contract instantly. Step 4. Compile like a pro. Hit the Solidity Compiler tab, pick the right version, and smash that compile button. If you see green, you're crushing it. Step 5. Deploy and make history. Now, the big moment. Go to the Deploy tab, connect your wallet, MetaMask, Trust Wallet, whatever, and choose your network. Ethereum, BSC, Polygon, you decide. Pro tip, see that big number at the top? Copy it, paste it into WEI value, then fill in your token name, supply and symbol, hit deploy, and boom, your token is live. Final move. Copy your contract address, go to your wallet, import token, and paste it in. Now you're a true crypto creator. Congrats, legend, you just built your own crypto empire. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell. Because next, I'm dropping even bigger secrets. Need the contract? Telegram me now, link below. I got you. Let's make you unstoppable.